issues. So when we're looking at the fungi, what fungi is within the blood, which people know that, and what it does, it affects the plasma, the red blood cells, the muscle, and the lymphatic system. All right, next question. So the other one, another common theme I had was similar things but different things, more around fungus in the body and issues with the gut, so leaky gut. So one of the questions was, I discovered yesterday I have, don't know what that is, aspergillus in my system. And a little while ago, the results of a leaky gut test also showed that I have a fungus in my system. Another one was, what can I do to help clear excess toxic parasites and fungi from my gut? So let's focus on the fungi, which is connected to the gut issues. So when we're looking at the fungi, what fungi is within the blood, which people know that, and what it does, it affects the plasma, the red blood cells, the muscle, and the lymphatic system. And the way we want to be able to deal with that and release that and move that out of those systems, is some Ayurvedic herbs, which are going to cleanse that out and clean that out. Now, if you've got a pen and paper, write these down now. So this will clean the plasma, the blood, the muscle, and the lymphatic system and clean it up. Is neem capsules. So you want to take 2 neem capsules a day, one in the morning with breakfast and one in the evening with dinner. You want to take amalaki capsules, one in the morning with breakfast, one in the evening with dinner. Amalaki, Amalaki. You want to take Guduchi capsules, one in the morning, one with dinner, Guduchi. And you want to have, look at having tea that's got bay leaves and clove. So that's all it is, bay leaves and clove. If you can't handle the taste of just the bay leaves and clove, put some honey in it and have that as a tea. Have that as a tea 2 to 3 times a day. So that's going to help it clean out and remove the fungi. And when we're looking at leaky gut, there's a powerful Ayurvedic herb and capsule, or it's a mixture of herbs. It's called Triphala, Triphala. Take 2 of those in the morning and in the evening with dinner. And within 3 to 4 weeks, your leaky gut will be back as normal, even quicker, even sooner. So that's the main one guidance I want to give around the fungi and the leaky gut. But actually, give me one more thing. What we want to look at with the fungi and the leaky gut, what it is, it's too much fire in the body, too much air in the body. Yeah. So what that means is there's too much stress happening, which is causing these issues. Yeah. On one aspect, and underneath that, there's the feelings of anxiety and fear, and there's also the feelings of anger, rage, even resentment. Yeah. So we need to look at those different aspects on an emotional and energetic basis and remove those to help to speed up the process of dealing with the fungi issues and the leaky gut issues. And even to go a little bit further on the physical side, on a nutritional basis, you want to look at having and just focus on having cooked vegetables, cooked fruits, nuts, and healthy fats. All the foods you want to be having for the fungal dysfunction, for the leaky gut and gut issues, is cooked foods, cooked fresh foods. You don't want to be reheating foods. You don't want to be microwaving foods. You don't want to be having any cold foods. You want to be having all the foods cooked, fresh, and ideally if you can get organic, that'd be best. Yeah, so that's for the fungi and the leaky gut. And just as I'm talking about, I have mentioned some Ayurvedic herbs. So a website you can go to for that is www.ayurorganic.com.au. If they don't have it, there's another website called iHerb. So it's au.iherb.com. Go to either 2 of those websites, and they've got high quality Ayurvedic herbs and capsules and tablets and stuff and powders that you can get to be able to, get what I'm sharing with you here now.